Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video seed mosaic art frames use dry beans, rice and corn to make pictures like animals, flowers or landscape. Sketch your designs on cardboard, apply glue section by section and fill it with seeds. Frame it in golden or wooden frame for a art gallery. Field natural theme, wall art, creative woodland, creative likes birds or owl using different shades of beans. Add leaves, sun and tree using seeds of colors like green, yellow, corn, black bean. Perfect for friendly earthly home decoration. Ideas and reviewers. Draw a circle, middle and fill each ring with a different strain. Weight, rice, seam, chickpeas give a beautiful texture and material looking standing on canvas or stick cardboard. Animal and bird art. Try making seed mosaic of frames, animals, butterfly or fish. Use colorful feathers for feathers and fine great for kids craft activities or educational art. And beavers. Holiday is the theme. Seed crafts make Christmas tree, reindeer or ornaments from seed and grain. Add little glue or paint touch for a festive shine. Dye seed caster or creative small seed patterns on MDF board. Then seal with clear varnish. Perfect handmade caster tray or even photo frame borders. And the seed and bean make vertical or circles for animals, face or flowers using mixed bean and seed. Use dark beans for outlines and lighter green for shading. It's give a beautiful texture look like